coming to Bala and getting a point is always a good point for me. It's a tough place to come. For us, after last week's performance and result at TNS, it was important that we were a lot more solid again today than we were last week, and we were. But Bala away is always a tough game, so I'll always be glad to walk away with a point. Yeah.
We haven't had many highlights, but like the save's great. We looked as though we were threatening in and around their box, and I thought we were comfortable defensively. But it's just been, I'd say this season's been one of the hardest ever in terms of injuries. And the lads to compete with Penabont last week, TNS before that, the week before that, and then Haverfordwest here. I know we've come away with nothing from the first two games that I just mentioned, but Haverfordwest here today, I thought we were outstanding.
Dechreuon ni dda, ond symud beth diwedd hanner gynta, wnaethon ni honni off fi a bit, ond wedyn dod mas al hanner, o'n i arno i to, a wedyn jyst yn y diwedd, just bach o nôl ymlaen, dim lot o pêl drod yn cario.
Finishing second in the table could be enough to qualify automatically for Europe. With 4 games to go and Penabont up next, you still believe that you could get to that second place?
Yeah, until it's mathematically impossible. You always want to try and achieve it, but a 10-point gap going into phase 2 was always going to be difficult, and them getting the late winner last week, was a tough one. If they hadn't, then it might have been a bit different going into next week's game. But they can afford to drop quite a number of points before we can get past them. So, third place would be fantastic if we can achieve that this season. It's the first time we've been in the top 6 in phase 2. So, if we can finish third, then that'll be fantastic for our football club, and we're always looking to improve every year, and that gives us something to improve on again. But for the moment, we've got 4 tough games left to achieve third place.
Mae Zach Jones rwan yn sicr o gael y fanau gair tymor yma. Dwi'n derbyn â fo sy'n cael hwnnw fel gol geidwad, a mae hwnna'n wobr i chi gyd fel amddiffynwyr hefyd ydy?
Ie, sy'n ni'n gweud ni fyd, ie. Lle mae heb ni, sa'n gwybod Zach yn neud. Ond na, mae Zach yn neud, ie. Dath y cwbl o big saves na heddi fod eg, ie. Ond sa'n gwybod beth yw'r rhifau nawr, ond ie, efo land ar y llechyd lan, war deg, ie.